Alright, let's dive in. Picture this. You're a brilliant coach, a talented fitness instructor, a meticulous consultant, or maybe even a creative artist. You've got your services dialed in, your expertise is top-notch, and you're ready to share your skills with the world. You've even got Acuity Scheduling working its magic, effortlessly managing your appointments and keeping your calendar in check. But then, a thought pops into your head. Could I, maybe, just maybe, sell something more than just time? Could you leverage the power of Acuity to sell products alongside your services? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Because, let's be real, while selling your time is fantastic, what if you could add a tangible, revenue-boosting layer to your business? What if you could offer your clients the tools, resources, and physical products that enhance their experience and deepen their connection with your brand? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Acuity Scheduling is primarily designed for, well, scheduling appointments. It's a master at handling bookings, managing availability, and streamlining your client interactions. It's not, at its core, an e-commerce platform like Shopify or Etsy. So, the question isn't whether Acuity is built for product sales, but rather whether you can adapt it to serve that purpose. And the answer, as with many things in the entrepreneurial world, is a resounding, it depends. It depends on what you're selling, how you want to sell it, and how creative you're willing to get with your workflows. Think about it. You might be a fitness coach selling branded resistance bands or protein powder. You might be a consultant offering digital workbooks or physical planners. Or maybe you're a massage therapist with a line of aromatherapy oils. The possibilities are endless. But how do you bridge the gap between appointment scheduling and product sales? Let's break it down into a few practical strategies. Strategy 1, the pre-appointment add-on. Imagine a client booking a consultation with you. During the booking process, you offer them the option to add a relevant product to their appointment. This could be a pre-consultation workbook, a sample kit, or a physical resource that enhances the session. How do you make it happen? Well, Acuity offers the ability to create intake forms and add-on services. You can use these features to present product options to your clients. Intake forms. You can add questions to your intake forms that subtly introduce your products. For example, would you like to add a pre-consultation workbook to your appointment? Yes/no. If they select yes, you can then collect payment through Acuity's payment integrations. Add-on services. You can create add-on services that are essentially your products. While they might not be traditional services, they can be treated as such within Acuity. You can set a price, add a description, and even limit availability. This approach is seamless and integrates directly into the booking experience. It's perfect for products that directly complement your services and enhance the client's journey. Strategy 2, the post-appointment follow-up. Sometimes, the best time to introduce a product is after the appointment. You've built rapport, demonstrated your expertise, and established trust. Now, you can offer a product that addresses their specific needs or reinforces the value they received. How do you implement this? Automated follow-up emails. Acuity integrates with various email marketing platforms. You can set up automated follow-up emails that are triggered after an appointment. In these emails, you can introduce your products, highlight their benefits, and provide a direct link to purchase. Personalized recommendations. Based on the client's appointment and your interactions, you can send personalized product recommendations. This shows that you're paying attention to their individual needs and builds a stronger connection. This strategy allows you to nurture your clients and introduce products in a natural and non-pushy way. Strategy 3, the external e-commerce integration. For those who want to sell a wider range of products or manage a more complex inventory, integrating Acuity with an external e-commerce platform might be the best option. How does this work? Link in confirmation emails. You can include a link to your online store, Shopify, Etsy, etc., in your appointment confirmation emails. This directs clients to your products and allows them to browse and purchase at their convenience. Embedded links in intake forms. You can embed links to specific products within your intake forms, especially if they are highly relevant to the service being booked. Website integration. Ensure your website seamlessly connects your Acuity scheduling page to your online store. Make it easy for clients to transition from booking an appointment to purchasing a product. This approach gives you the flexibility and functionality of a dedicated e-commerce platform while still leveraging Acuity for scheduling. Strategy 4. The digital download delivery. If you're selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses, you can utilize Acuity's file upload feature to deliver these products directly to your clients. How do you do it? File upload and confirmation emails. You can upload your digital product files to Acuity and include a download link in the appointment confirmation email. File upload and automated follow-up emails. You can also deliver digital products in automated follow-up emails. Membership site integration. For more comprehensive digital product offerings, you can integrate Acuity with a membership site platform. This allows you to create exclusive content and resources for your members. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.